In today's video, we're going to talk about enhancing your community's engagement on a budget. So in today's video, we want to talk about how you can do a better job as a board member, as a manager, or as a leader of your community association to create the engagement that's necessary. The reason why we opened the video with on a budget is because many associations lose sight of what they can do to engage their residents with a very minimal budget. Many times they have this big vision of a big party and whatnot, and they get overwhelmed of the thought of putting it together, the costs associated, and so forth. Here at Affinity, we've been fortunate that we have some amazing managers who've done an excellent job. So I wanted to share some of the tips that they have applied to our communities with you so that you can do the same at your residence. So why is it important to create these events where you're engaging your residents? Number one, with our over 2 decades of experience, we've noticed that associations where the residents are engaged, there's a better sense of pride. There's a better sense of you have a true community. You'll notice that your actual meetings have a better, culture. You'll see that the residents are more willing to help within the community and participate in different activities. Further, you'll quickly notice that people would want to move into your community. And when you have people wanting to move in because they feel this sense of community, that helps you increase the property values. So there's many benefits in engaging your residents outside of what I mentioned, but these are just a few. So now let me talk about some of the cost-effective events that you can do just really to kick off the engagement with your residents. One of the ones that our managers put together was called Valentine Hearts and Craft. So pretty simple. She went to a craft store, picked up a couple hearts, couple little things so that kids can get together and just glue and make their own hearts and crafts is what she called it. The expense was very, very minimal. I want to say probably under $100 to put this event together. They were able to engage close to 20 family and kids within the clubhouse, and it was a huge success. Further, she took the opportunity to take some pictures, put it on the following newsletter, and before you know it, you had residents asking of what's the next event that they were looking forward to being part of it. You built a little bit of FOMO, which is fear of missing out. So you had owners that weren't able to attend that event that now were looking forward to the next event. Another interesting event that's coming together at one of our communities is a simple one. It's a chili cook-off. So basically the residents are bringing in their own ingredients. What the association is doing is setting up just some tables, helping pass out flyers or emailing flyers, I should say, to the residents. And it really gets the community, number one, in really a competitive spirit, but more than anything, everyone is breaking bread together and spending that important time as a community. So another cost-effective event that you could put together is a simple movie night. So you have the option of renting the equipment, or the association can actually purchase the equipment, and you can have a rated G, PG-13 movie where you're inviting most of the residents and their families, and just to sit on the lawn and watch a movie and spend some time together. So again, these are some of the simple ideas. We have much more that we'll be more than happy to share with you. There's also over-the-top events that some of our communities do, like a huge Memorial Day weekend or 4th of July pool party with fireworks. We'll be more than happy to share with you some of these lifestyle events that you could put together in your community. So if you want to learn a little bit more, visit our website, managedbyaffinity.com. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube page as we have weekly videos coming out. I do invite you to tell us what event you're doing in your community down in the comments. We appreciate you seeing our videos, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.